Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. The Toyota FJ Cruiser is back, and the 2026 version takes this iconic off-roader into a bold new direction while staying true to its rugged roots. With a boxy retro design that still manages to look futuristic, the FJ Cruiser 2026 brings nostalgia and innovation together. It proudly wears the signature round LED headlights and the classic white roof over a vibrant body color, creating a powerful throwback vibe that off-road lovers will instantly recognize. The bold grille, chunky fenders, and short overhangs make it clear that this SUV isn't just for the city streets, it's built to conquer tough terrains. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped the FJ Cruiser 2026 with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing out around 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's latest full-time 4WD system with locking differentials. Whether you're crawling over rocks or powering through desert dunes, the FJ has the muscle and traction to keep going. Plus, Toyota has tuned the suspension with improved articulation and stability, making this version smoother on-road without sacrificing off-road capability. Step inside, and the cabin is a perfect mix of utility and modern tech. The 2026 FJ Cruiser gets a more refined interior with waterproof seats, rubberized floors, and durable materials all around. But it's not just about toughness. There's a digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite of driver assist features, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision braking. There's even a built-in trail camera system to give you better visibility on technical off-road trails. One of the standout features is the removable roof panels and a fold-down rear window, offering an open-air driving experience when you're out in the wild. Add in the roof rack, side steps, and optional winch-ready front bumper, and you've got a rig ready for serious adventure. Ground clearance is impressive, and approach and departure angles have been optimized to ensure nothing holds this SUV back. Toyota plans to offer the FJ Cruiser 2026 in a few different trims, with prices starting around $42,000 and climbing toward the $50,000 mark for the top-end version with all the bells and whistles. Compared to other off-road SUVs in the same range, the FJ stands out with its unique style, proven durability, and Toyota's reputation for reliability. It's not just an SUV, it's a lifestyle statement for those who crave off-the-grid journeys with a modern twist. So whether you're a die-hard FJ fan or someone looking for a fresh but rugged off-road experience, the 2026 FJ Cruiser brings the perfect blend of heritage and technology. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Auto Speed's Vibes, and drop a comment below on what you think about Toyota bringing back this legend. We'll catch you in the next one. Stay bold, stay adventurous.